Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE2, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store, click on this hardware and type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!